Chris Hansen. It's 5 o'clock a.m. It's the 17th of April, and all night I've been laying here listening to this statement being absolutely burned. My whole head is on fire, not just part of my brain, my whole brain. Like they've completely taken over my whole brain with these psychotronics. My whole head, not just part of my brain, but my whole brain is full of psychotronics. It's so severe right now that I feel like they're taking over my whole citizenship. That they're completely committing such utter terrorism on me that I'm not even part of the United States anymore. That they just basically wrote me off as being a nobody. Like my whole life is nothing. Like my whole birth into this earth is just to be tortured and cremated by this Luciferian project that they have on me. But I know it's all a lie. I'm more than a conqueror, and they're losers in the end. They've infiltrated my brain with these psychotronics. They've taken over my mind against my will. They're trespassing on God's property. This is live in Oahu, Hawaii. It's Chris Hansen. And right now, there's such microwave psychotronic weapons, entrainment, and attacks on my brain that I'm just laying here for hours and hours listening to satanic saying go through my brain as they wheel it through my head over and over and over and over. I'm shaking, convulsing on the floor. I just making a record of it as they commit utter terrorism with their radical ideological extremists infringing on my Christianity, letting the public know that they're taking me over because they've blocked me from KHON and the news, and the police department won't do nothing. The doctors are lying and saying I'm delusional. It's delusion. They're misdiagnosing me, just like Barry Trower says that they do. This is what's going on right now live as they commit utter terrorism on Hawaii. They're blocking down people's rights to get it out to the public. They got me on a private subscription channel. Maybe people can see it. I don't know. Live in Honolulu, Hawaii. Utter torture. I just hope that they don't take this video like they've been doing.